The next element of an effective presentation is alignment. So the point of alignment is that everything in your slide is designed so it should look like it was placed there purposefully. There should be absolutely no random design in the slide, and not only in a slide, but between slides. So if you take a look at the slide before here for repetition, and you take a look at the position of the R over here and of this text box up at the top, you'll notice that if I go to alignment, the letter A is exactly in the same spot as where the R is on the slide before it. So that is alignment, and the way in which I make sure that the alignment is exactly correct is when I'm creating a new slide, what I like to do is I like to right click and I like to click duplicate slide. And then from here, I would go and I would adjust my slide to say alignment so that the text box is in the exact same spot as my slide before it, and that it's going to flow nicely into each other. Now you might also notice that my slides in the lessons are all in the exact same spot from the do nows and the objectives, and that's using the same method where I right click and I duplicate the slide so that it is in exactly the same position to make it look like nothing is there randomly. Additionally, you'll notice I've included these orange lines over here to show you that there's kind of like a hidden structure to these slides where the content is aligned close to the edge so that there's these nice clean lines along the PowerPoint so that the whole slide kind of looks like the text boxes line up and all the information is presented in this nice box. Whereas if you keep the information kind of like off center and down below, there doesn't seem to be the same amount of like nice linear flow for the information when things kind of just are randomly placed around the slide. So when using the alignment principle, you want to make sure we line up the information to create these nice straight lines, and we're going to make sure that the text boxes are in the exact same spot from line to line to line so that the only thing actually changing is the letters. The last thing that I want to talk about alignment is that alignment's something that when done well, people shouldn't even know that you purposely did it. Alignment looks like it should be done almost like effortlessly, but it's something that should be very purposeful because every element is connected via invisible lines, and that invisible element people should not even know about. And many people fail to make an effort to apply this principle. We just kind of like make slides randomly, but it really does tie together nicely the whole presentation. So that's alignment. Next on the list is P for proximity.